And again, one of the television correspondents at this news conference in which the president is there on an unannounced visit, part of a ceremonial signing of the agreement, and you see it there, one right after the other. One of the journalists jumps up, throwing the shoes at the president. Let's listen in. And we have been looking at video that just arrived here a few moments ago, video of a news conference with President Bush and Prime Minister Nouri al-Maliki as they talked about their signing of this agreement, the Status of Forces Agreement and Strategic Agreement. Let's listen in to the reaction. Amazing. You see one of the journalists there. We are getting reports that he is from al-Baghdadiya television. A correspondent at this press conference reportedly says this is the end. Makes the statement, this is the end, just before throwing the shoes. Patty Colhane joins us now live from the White House. Patty?
Hey, Christina, how are you? As you've just seen the video, President Bush, we should point out, was not injured. As you saw, the shoes sailed over his head. And I'm just going to ask if we could switch the monitor real quick so I can see what you're seeing. We do know that Dana Perino, though, has a bit of a black eye. Apparently she was caught in the melee to get a hold of this television reporter and got a microphone in her eye. So Dana Perino, the White House spokeswoman, has a bit of a black eye. You're seeing the video here. Apparently, as you said, this is a television reporter, and he screamed out, "This is a farewell kiss, you dog." Now, people at home might be wondering, what is the importance of the shoe? Well, in an Arab culture, that is considered, the sole of the shoe is considered an insult. So it was this reporter's way of insulting President Bush during his surprise visit to Baghdad.